I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another May favourite. I cannot believe that we are at the end of May and going into June. It is actually scary how fast time is going at the moment. I don't know if it's just me that feels this way, but the weeks are literally going by so quick and it's scary. Me and Ryan have been together a year in June, which is also terrifying because I feel like that year has gone so quick and I have no idea what to buy him for our anniversary. So please help me. Any comments down below on really great gifts for boyfriends. Help a girl out because I have no idea what to get him. But anyway, May favourites. I have quite a bit to share with you this month. I've got some series, I've got some music, I have got some Lush, obviously, a little bit of hair care, skincare, makeup. I've kind of delved into most categories, so I'm really excited to share with you what I've been loving this month. And yeah, without further ado, I'm going to jump right in, grab us a drink or a coffee, tea, hot chocolate, a snack, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So firstly, starting off with hair care, the first thing I'm going to mention is the Lee Stafford Hair Growth Leave-In Treatment. Now I've mentioned this in probably a couple favourites videos now. I definitely have mentioned this before. It's such a wonderful light leave-in treatment and I can even use it as like a spray while my hair is kind of dry almost. Like it just, oh, it's just so lovely. And essentially it's a protein moisture treatment. It's supposed to obviously strengthen the hair, give it some moisture, but it just smells unreal. All of the Lee Stafford hair growth treatments and products smell the same. It's got a very beautiful fresh scent, but I love this. I'm not the sort of girl who goes through products and uses them completely and then moves on to something new. I'm not gonna lie, I like to dib and dab into like loads of different things, but this is one of those products that I just always go back to. As you can tell, I have used so much of this and I will definitely repurchase this once I've finished. It's just so good and I don't think it was that expensive. It was definitely under £10, maybe even under £7. It was so affordable, and I know that Lee Stafford, especially in Boots, are quite a lot of the time in a 3 for 2 offer, so it's definitely worth going in and checking that out. But this is wonderful. It does so many great things for my hair. As you can see, it's in its natural state at the moment. I have used another product as well, which I will go through next, but I absolutely love this product. I always use it and I just think it's amazing. So 10 out of 10. I love this, it's so good. Sticking with hair care, the other item that I used in my hair today is the Lush Curl Power Hair Cream. Now, I was quite sceptical of the entire curl range from Lush, to be honest, because I know that my hair isn't the curliest. It's probably more, I don't know, 2B, 2C curls. Like, I've not had my hair natural in months and this is it for the first time in a long time, and this product made my hair go into like ringlets. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like, look at that. It's insane. This product is just so good and it's full of cocoa butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, like loads of beautiful scents, and it just smells unbelievable. It smells like the avocado co-wash, which if you don't know, it smells like Twister ice lollies, and if you don't know what that is, it's like a limey creamy scent, like lime ice cream kind of, if you know what I mean. It's so good and it just is so thick and beautiful, and I'm honestly really obsessed with this. I know that my hair reacts to Lush products really well. It just loves them for some reason, so I am so happy to have this in my collection. I believe I got this for my birthday, and I've only just started using it recently. As I said, I haven't had my hair natural in a very long time. I obviously was going through that whole hair growth phase and I am still wanting to grow my hair. I have had it cut recently, but I've come to the realisation that my hair is not going to grow 6 inches overnight, so I just have to enjoy it. So I have been heat styling it a little bit, but recently this has been my go-to. I just really love it, and I didn't use overly loads either, especially like per application, so it is going to last me a long time and I'm just obsessed. So if you've got curly hair, similar texture to me or curlier, it's so good. I promise you, you'll love it. Next up, moving on to skincare, I have the Elderflower Eye Gel from The Body Shop. Now, I went into The Body Shop, I think a week ago or 2 weeks ago, it must have been about 2 weeks ago, with my mum, and we Just went in there, I had a little browse, and I bought this and something else, and I can't remember what the other thing was. Oh, it was a bubble bath. The banana bubble bath. Unreal, by the way. It's downstairs though, so I'm not going to go get it, but it smells like foam bananas and it's unbelievable. So yeah, 10 out of 10, love that. But I also picked up the elderflower eye gel. Now I actually have been eyeing this up for years. Since I worked there back in 2018, 2017, I have been eyeing this up, but I never really grabbed it because I do use the aloe vera one, which I really like from the Body Shop, but this is just so good. It doesn't have a strong scent at all, and it is actually really cooling. I don't know what is in this product that makes it automatically cold. It's just so lovely, great for puffiness, great for dry under eye areas, and I'm just absolutely obsessed. So yeah, 10 out of 10, love that. And I am nearly 28. Well, I'll be 28 in January, which makes me feel physically sick, so I am trying to use a lot more skincare products to avoid getting wrinkles. Not that there's anything wrong with wrinkles, but if I can avoid it for as long as possible, then I will. Next, moving on to body care. Now obviously I had to feature another Lush product in this favourites, and this is the American Cream Body Lotion. Now I have mentioned this, oh I dropped it. I've mentioned this in quite a lot of favourites videos. I use this quite frequently. If I show you how empty this is now, I think you guys will be somewhat impressed. Like, you probably can't see it very well. The only thing with this is it is very runny. Like, can you guys see how runny that is if I shake it about? It is very runny, which is nice if you don't like a super thick lotion, which I personally don't really like. You know, like the Body Shop like body butter ones that are so thick, they're not my favourite. I feel like they just don't sink into the skin quick enough for me, but this does, and it smells like strawberries and cream, and it's so good. Now annoyingly, you can't just buy this in the Lush shops. It's really frustrating. This was a kitchen purchase quite a while ago, and I am slowly getting through it. I really want to finish it this month though, because obviously, as you guys saw in my last video with Ryan, he picked up the Lime Bounty lotion, which I'm so excited to use, but obviously I want to finish this first. So yeah, really love this. It's super thin. I really like that about it. And in terms of ingredients, it's almond oil, cocoa butter, vanilla absolute, sage oil, lavender oil. So it's again really rich in oils and butters, but it's just a nice thin texture. 10 out of 10. Love it. Next up, moving on to a TV series I have been absolutely loving, and that is Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Now I love Buffy the Vampire Slayer so much. Let me know down below if you're a team Spike or a team Angel. Team Spike all the way. But I absolutely love it. I'm nearly at the end of season 4 and I'm just obsessed with it. Obviously I have watched it before. I've watched it many a time. I've got the box set, like I've binged it. But I just absolutely love it. I obviously still love Friends and Gilmore Girls. Those are two which I always binge. But for me, Buffy, I like to watch it. I can't just have it on in the background. I really like to kind of get into the show, if you know what I mean. Whereas with Friends and Gilmore Girls, I could just listen to it and I'll know exactly what's going on. So yeah, Buffy the Vampire Slayer has been an ultimate favourite of mine this month, and I have been obsessed. A music favourite of the month has obviously been the Olivia Rodrigo song Good For You. I am honestly obsessed. Now I'm not gonna lie, when I first had it on TikTok I was like, this is a bit of me. It's almost like Paramore meets like Taylor Swifty. I don't know, it was just such a good mix of like vibes that I really enjoy, so really like it. But I hadn't actually listened to the whole song until maybe a week or so ago, and I am obsessed with it. It's such a good song. I'm not gonna lie, obviously Driver's License, great song, but this song is a bit more me. I just absolutely love like the music in it. I just think it's so good and it's just unreal. So that has definitely been a favourite of mine. I really need to listen to more of her songs, but I'm just obsessed with that one song at the moment. I don't know what's wrong with me, I just can't stop listening to it. So yeah, absolute fave. Let me know if you've been listening to it too. I'm sure you have, but obsessed with it. And finally, moving on to my makeup favourites. The first one has been a blusher, and it's what I'm wearing today, and that is the Bare Minerals Loose Blusher in Vivacious, which is this really beautiful, I don't know if you can see it, kind of pink colour. Let me open it so you guys can see. Now I promise you this does not come up as strong as you would think, because looking at that looks terrifying and very pigmented. However, I get a tiny bit on my brush and I use the lid on the inside to almost like coat my brush fully, and I just dab it on my skin, and this is what it looks like. Obviously, I think that side actually looks a bit more. Did I even blend that out properly? I don't even know, but I absolutely love this. I love how it blends out. I love how subtle it is. I love that it's loose as well. I feel like I use way less in a loose powder, but yeah, I've been absolutely loving this. I think I got this in a box, like a Christmas box from my mum and dad one year. I can't quite remember, but I really love this, and I would definitely recommend the Bare Minerals collection. Their foundation powder is unreal, so this is amazing. If you want more of a natural makeup look, Bare Minerals is amazing. Next up is the lipstick that I'm wearing now, and that is the MAC lipstick in the shade Touch. Now it's this beautiful brownie nude colour. I believe it's a luster, so it is pigmented, but it's like creamy at the same time, if that makes sense. It's a really beautiful consistency, but I only bought this because this is the lipstick that Rachel wore in Friends, and I'm just obsessed with Friends, so I had to buy it. And they have released another lipstick she wore, and also the lipstick that Monica and Phoebe wore, and I really need to buy them all. So yeah, absolutely love this. The only thing about this I don't like is that they are over £17, which is gross. So love the lipstick, not the price tag. And lastly are 3 lip glosses I've been obsessed with. These are the Maybelline Lifter glosses, and these, I'm not gonna lie, are £8 each, which is somewhat expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but you do get a lot of product in here, and also the quality of these is unreal. So I got the shades Topaz, Amber and Moon. So Amber is a matte, whereas these ones are not a matte, but it's not got any glitter, if you know what I mean. Whereas these ones are both shimmery, and they look like this. So you've got Amber on the bottom, Topaz in the middle, and then you've got Moon on the top. In regards to the applicator, this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful, very similar to the Fenty Beauty lip gloss range, 100%, but these are obviously half the price. So yeah, obsessed with these. I know that a lot of people have done kind of sponsored posts for these, but I have not, but they are amazing, so you can trust my word for it. Wonderful. So that is everything for my May favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up, and also subscribe if you're not already. I currently have a 10k giveaway going on my channel at the moment, so make sure you enter that. Make sure you subscribe so you can win. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.